This video is sponsored by the brand Rapid Storage.
So I got the heavy duty storage straps from Rapid. In this video, I'm going to show you everything that you receive with your purchase and a quick guide on how to use these so you know exactly what to expect when you're proctorized. But usually what you get, I got the 6-pack, so you can get 2 of each size. So you get like a 17-inch one, a 10-inch one, and a 13-inch one. So you should have whatever size you need, and these work for anything from like extension cords to step ladders or whatever you need to give you some more room in your garage. Personally, that's where I use them, wherever you want to store things. But how you use them is super easy. And what I like is obviously these can hold like extension cords. It's not a big thing. But personally, I have a lot of these hand trucks. And these things are maybe like 15, 20 pounds. They're a little bit heavier. But what I like about it is I can just fold these up. Then on my wall, I can hang them. And all I got to do is unwrap the Velcro here. Get them on there just like that. And now I'm able to just put this on this wall. And it's going to be able to hold it with no issue at all. So that's what I like about it is it's, obviously like a hose or an extension cord is going to, they're going to be able to work on it. But something like this that's 20 pounds, easily put on your wall, put step ladders on your wall. It's going to give you a whole bunch more storage. And that's what I need. My garage isn't very big. So I need innovative ways to store things. And these are such a simple invention, but so useful. So I'm a big fan of these. I give them 2 thumbs up.